party without a couple of snowballs.
It's snowing in NOLA.
Yes, we're skiing down the mountain. We're all skiing down the mountain together. And getting hit in the face with some nice fresh powder.
I think I have some powder on my head, if I'm not mistaken. Do I have an ice ball on my head, or am I just happy to see you?
I'm checking now. You're just happy to see me.
So it's just like this is what really makes Breckenridge Distillery, right?
Yes, and I melt it into nice, beautiful water, and then we make vodka.
So we bought this vintage, super old piece of junk trailer with potential, and they took it beyond its potential. Man, these guys, they worked really damn hard on this thing.
Like the name Burro, she was a stubborn mule, but she came together really well.
And you remade this yourself. How long did it take you?
It took about a good solid 2 months. It's a 1980. It's all fiberglass.
The first night ever it's been used.
Yep, this is inaugural Burro Day.
Rockin' in New Orleans. Rock and roll, man. This is awesome. It's like being out the gunslinger. Gunslinger. Cheers, my friends. Hello.